wake up in the morning and your hip is twisted sides. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, or where you gonna sleep tonight, or where you gonna sleep tonight. So you're heading down the road in your taxi for 4, and you're waiting outside Jim's front door, but nobody's in and nobody's home till 4. So you're sitting there with nothing to do, talking about Robert Riger and his motley crew, and